babes. I am going to show you how I take this daytime look and I transfer it into an evening look. You worked a full day, you come home, you start to get a little warm and glowy and dewy. Then you need to kind of touch up before you go back out and do your next thing. I just wanted to show you how I take a simple daytime look and I can vamp it and turn it up into an evening look in about 10 minutes or so. So let me go ahead and show you how I do that. So the first thing I do is I come home and I will take my powder. I'm using MAC Studio Pressed in medium dark, and I will take my powder brush and we'll just get a little on here, and we'll go ahead and kind of take off the day's glow. Oh, that feels better already. You can tell already just by adding powder like that how quickly that just went ahead and mattified my look. Next, I take a little bit of blush, and normally in the day I don't wear too much blush, but in the evenings I do like to add it. So I have been using Tarte in Party. It's a super pretty shade, and I'm just gonna intensify this look that I wore all day long. And then I like to take my blush and just kind of quickly go over those contour spots. This is the Subculture palette by Anastasia. It's so stinking beautiful. I love it. And it does have a lot of these like darker tones that I feel like I can use to kind of intensify or glam up my everyday look. Just gonna sit here and think about what inspires me. All right, I'm gonna use the shade Destiny to add a little bit of depth to my eyeshadow. I'm gonna put this on this outer corner right here, and I'm going to try to do this in here. Oh yeah, so beautiful. So I'm gonna take and I'm gonna put this in my crease. Ooh, girl. It needs more blending. Sometimes I will take a brush that's clean and I will buff out anything that looks too harsh. There we go. Because I do like a really blended look. So you can see how that just really intensified this look. I'm going to do it over here to this eye too. You know, it's kind of tricky about changing up one of your looks though. You're building on top of other eyeshadow, and if you didn't wear an eyeshadow primer to start your day, you know, sometimes it can feel like you're moving product around. And I think that's one reason it's good to go ahead and use an eyeshadow primer and a face primer, is because if you are trying to go ahead and build up your looks from day to night or touch up throughout the day, it really allows you to do that. If you aren't using that primer step, then it's just not working for you, girl. Then you're not getting the best hold and stay out of your makeup. That's really what you're not getting. So I've gone ahead and added a little bit of depth to the corners and the creases of my eyes. Now I'm going to take and add some darker shades under here. And I think I'm going to do that with All Star. It's just so beautiful. And it kind of matches what I'm doing. So I'm gonna come under here. And I'm gonna wing that out. And come down with it. Ooh, yeah. Then I'm going to take this blendy brush again and I'm going to go back over it. Now I'm gonna take my powder foundation again, and I'm gonna go under my eyes and just kind of freshen up where I had concealer earlier today. Then highlighter, I'm using Becca. This is in the shade Champagne Pop. Thank you, Jaclyn Hill, for collaborating with Becca. So we can all have Champagne Pop in our life. So because I'm making this an evening look, I can be a little more prominent with the highlighter. So I'm gonna be. Because if you get a chance to do it, girl. So you can see how during the day, I mean, I had a subtle glow. Boom, it's evening. Got lots of glow. Ooh, let's do this. Really just, oh, yeah. We're just gonna touch up a little bit here. And then I am gonna do right here. This is Too Faced in Chocolate Soleil. This is so now, I'm gonna go ahead and put some lipstick on. Change this into a nightshade. We tussle my hair a little bit. Okay. We're getting close. We're getting ready, guys. So this shade is Marrakesh by MAC. It's a throwback. Ooh, guys. And that's how I turned my daytime look into a more like evening, sultrier, smokier look. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys realize that it's super easy just to add on and build on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned about some products that maybe you had never known before and some techniques that maybe you hadn't heard of. If you like this channel and you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. I will see you in the next one.